Hello students, I am Anuradha. I am your mathematics teacher. Now, welcome to my online class. So students, today's topics are which boat gets how much, and in this topic we are going to learn relation between speed, distance and time. And this is the third part of the chapter 1, the fish tale. Now we start the topic.
Which boat gets how much? In one trip, the log boat brings about 20 kg of fish. Remember, the log boat brings only 20 kg of fish in one trip only. So, here the table for you students and some word problem questions for you. Now, solve it. Before solving this type of question, we have read the given table carefully. First you understand what things given in the table, then you can go and solve the word problem questions. Okay friends, now let's check the table. Okay. You can see here 3 columns, types of boats, catch of fish in one trip in kg and speed the boat. So there are 4 types of boats. You can see here log boat, long tail boat, motor boat and machine boat. And machine boat another name as trawler. So first of all talk about log boat. The log boat catch fish in one trip. How many fish? 20 kg of fish catch in a one trip, and the speed of the log boat is 4 kilometer. Remember, 4 kilometer. Now talk about long tail boat. Long tail boat catch of fish in one trip in kg is 600. Yes, long tail boat catch fishes 600 kgs fishes catch in one trip, and the speed of the boat is 12 kilometer per hour. Now we talk about motor boat. So the motor boat 800 kgs fishes catch in one trip, and the speed of that boat is 20 kilometer per hour. Now we talk about the machine boat trawler. So machine boat can catch 6000 kg fishes in one trip, and the speed of that boat is 22 kilometer per hour. Now we solve the first question about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trip. Remember, the type of boat catch of fish in one trip and catch of fish in 7 trip in kg. You can calculate for each type of boats in 7 trip. So first you make a table. So log boat is equals to how many fish they catch in one trip? That is 20. And we calculate for 7 trip. So just multiply by 7 multiply 20 is 140 kg. Now we calculate for long tail boat, and you can see that 600 kg of fish they catch in one trip. Now we calculate for 7 trip. So just multiply by 7. So 7 multiply 600 is equals to 4200. Students, please just multiply by 7 multiply 6 is 42, and how many zeros in 600? 2. So you can put here 2 zeros. So it will make 4200 kg. Now Comes to third boat, that is motorboat. Motorboat catch how many fishes in one trip, students? Yes, 800. Now we calculate for 7 trip. So we just multiply by 7. So 7 multiply 800. Yes. And answer is 5600 kgs. Now calculate for last boat is machine boat, and another name of this boat is trawler. Yes. And catch of fish in one trip in kg is 6000. Now we calculate for 7. So 7 multiply 6000 is equals to 42,000 kg. Yes. Here we calculate for each type of boat bring in 7 trip. How much they catch fish in 7 trip. So students, come to the question B and C. Before solving the B and C question, we understand the relation between speed, distance and time by the formula. And the formula are, here the formula for you. First, speed is equals to distance upon time. And second one, time is equals to distance upon speed. And third and last is calculate for distance. Distance is equals to speed into time. Remember, these three formula are related to each other, and please, this are basic and very important formula, and you can use this formula to solve B and C question. Now go for the B question. Hello students, about how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours? For your knowledge, students, you can solve this question by two methods. So first one is, you can see here, given that a motor boat can go in 1 hour is 20 kilometer. Yes, it is given in your table. So you can cross check. So it can go in 6 hours. We first of all look at the question about how far. So we calculate here how far. How far means distance. So we have to find here distance. So it can go in 6 hours is equals to 20 multiply 6, and the answer is 120 kilometer. So hence a motor boat can go 120 kilometer in 6 hours. It is a simple multiplication. And the second method is based on the relation between speed, distance and time. I told you, remember? So given that speed is equals to 20 kilometer per hour and time is equals to 6 hours, and we calculate here for distance. So formula of distance is equals to, yes, speed into time, and speed is 20 and time is 6. Now put here speed 20 times 6, and 20 multiply 6 is 120 kilometer. Now we calculate for distance. Now we go for another question, C question. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometer, how long will it take? Here we calculate for what, students? Long. How long? How long means time. So here we calculate for time. So this question has two methods. The first one is method 1. The time taken by a long tail boat to travel 12 km in 1 hour. It is given in your table and you can cross check. So it will take time to travel 60 km for, so 60 divided by 12 and the answer is 5 hour. So hence a long tail boat travel 60 km in 5 hour. And go for the second method. Now it based on the relation between speed, distance and time. Yeah, I told you that. So distance is equals to 60 km and speed is equals to 12 km. Both are given in the question and we calculate for time. And the formula of time is, yes, distance upon speed. Distance is equals to 60 and speed is equals to 12. Now you can put in the formula and 60 divided by 12, answer is 5 hour. I hope you understand all the questions and please practice at your home. Now it's time to stop our class. Stay healthy and stay home and safe.